Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first we had Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Men. So, what I'm doing today is just having a little bit of fun, messing with some black pillow, which is the British Paints Low Sheen that you can buy at Bunnings if you're in Oz. I'm just going to throw some neon colours onto it and make up some cool little patterns. So, stick around and enjoy the show.
Night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood, it's in my blood. I keep on fighting.
We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. You breathe just a little bit harder. Heartbeats just a little bit faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. 'Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. You wish you could take it all back now. Can't sleep without dreaming you're found out. You thought you covered your tracks, you swore you buried your racks, but you can never relax. You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. What was that behind your back? Don't you hear those footsteps? Fate never forgets. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. history, calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. never gonna quit. Got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one for you. Let you have a bit of a closer look. That one turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Really bright and vibrant. Love it. Sexy. Alright, up next we've got Kristey from Kreations by Kristey. So if you click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. It'll take you directly to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just click the play all this link that I put in there. That plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. That way you don't have to go hunting for links and getting lost and all that sort of stuff. So, right guys, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all my stuff as I release it. Okie dokie. That's it from me. So, have fun. Take care. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
The fire. Welcome to the fire.